Okay, we have a question here. Find x and y. Okay, so we've got two triangles. Okay, and this one, the blue one, is an extension of the red one. Okay, so what we know is that we're dealing here with similar triangles. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to figure out how much has this blue triangle increased by over the red triangle as a proportion. Okay, so not by how many centimeters or whatever did it increase by, as a proportion. Okay, now can you see that this side here is the same thing as that side there? Okay, but this side is only just a bit bigger. It's a bigger version of it. So as a proportion, how do we get from 9 to 12? Okay, well, we added 3 on. So what is 3 out of 9? It's a third. Okay, so we have added 1/3 on. We've added 1/3 of 9 on to make that one there. So all of these numbers are going to be the same. The same relationship is going to apply. So if we want to find out what is y, okay, that means this whole side here, this side here, all of it, is 6 plus 1/3 of 6. Okay, so let's call this side 6 plus y, because the 6 plus the y. Okay, so 6 plus y equals, okay, 6 plus 1/3 of 6. We just said it's added. We're adding on 1/3 of 6. So 1/3 of 6. Okay, now what is 1/3 of 6? 1/3 of 6 is 2. Okay, so that whole side must be 8. Okay, now 6 plus y, that must mean y equals 2. Okay, because it says here 6 plus y equals 6 plus 2, that must mean y is 2. So y is 2. Now on the other side, we have a similar sort of thing. This time we have x here, okay, and we have the whole side here, which is x plus 3. So all of this side here, so the new blue side, that is called x plus 3. The red side is called x. We know that we have increased side x by 1/3. Okay, so x plus 1/3 of x. Okay, so x plus 1/3 of x is the same thing as x plus 3. Okay, so if we just take these out, we get 1/3 of x must be equal to 3. Okay, because these x's, they are the same on both sides, so they can be cancelled out. 1/3 of x is equal to 3, which must mean x is equal to 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, because 1/3 of x is 3, which means a whole x must be 3 times more than that. So x equals 9. Okay, and that's how you would solve that. So with these questions here with similarity, we need to make sure we understand proportions. Okay, and ratios. You could another way you could have done it was ratios. Okay, but it's all kind of like the same thing. So if that was difficult for you because of the proportions, it's a good idea to get to grips with that first and come back to these sorts of questions. Hope this helps.
If you want regular support from me to help you get the grades you want, why not join one of my weekly classes? It's very affordable. Contact me if you want to find out more.